Hello and welcome to my recent adventure. My bike is already packed and ready to go. The plan is this little diagram here. I'm in Bangor now, cycle to work this afternoon, work a night shift and then cycle to Holyhead tomorrow morning and catch the 9 o'clock ferry over to Dublin. Then cycle up to Belfast over 2 days and then catch the ferry over to Stranraer and then cycle through southern Scotland into England and then back home. But once I reach England, I'll have options to catch the train if things don't work out. But I want to try and visit the 5 countries of Great Britain. And this is the mileage, 634, but a good 100 miles of this is on the boat from Holyhead to Dublin and Belfast to Stranraer, so approximately 500 miles cycling, I would guess. Just setting off now, and in front of me is the Carneddau, Carned Dafydd and Pen yr Olewen and Tryfan in the middle there, and the Glyderau, Carnedd y Filias and Delidir Fawr, and swing around to my right, Moelilio. Can't think of worse places to live. Right, here we go. Going over the Menai Bridge. Smart. The village with a long name. Holyhead. This is the first cycle ride from Bangor to Holyhead. 30 miles. On the ship. Arrived in Dublin. I seem to be leaving Dublin now along a cycle track.
Take the next left.
Now in front of me is Croke Park. A huge stadium. Gaelic football, hurling and rugby. Lovely setting for a stadium. And in front of me is Dublin Airport. I'm going to have a meal in Wetherspoons in Swords. Fed and coffee. Swords Castle. Nice. The 5 roads, and down there is the main road. Nice views from here. I'm just having a little break. I'm shattered. I've been on my feet now for 24 hours and I'm not feeling too bad. I've got about 10 miles to go to Drohiba. That's the best way I can pronounce it. And there's a hostel there. I'll probably call it a day there. I will be shattered by then. I tried to have a little kip on the ferry, but it was in vain really. I lied down on the seat. I might have dozed off for about half an hour. But it's all going according to plan, thankfully. Okay, doc. Lovely country lanes, nice and safe. Stamullen, County Meath. The road signs in the Republic of Ireland are so basic and simple. Just the red hexagon as a stop sign. Now look at this for a cemetery. All the space being taken up by massive burial areas. Southgate Shopping Smart. I made it. I'm going to book into a hostel here. Accident black spot. Just don't let it be today. Woo! Well, lo and behold, that's who I work for in Anglesey. Spoon and the stars. That's me, done for the day. That's a very unusual bridge. Ready for this? That is tall. Walking down into the town for some scran and a Guinness. £33.5 from Dublin to Drogheda. Breakfast. Budget breakfast in a budget accommodation. Vending eggs machines. I came over that bridge over there. And the Mourne Mountains of Northern Ireland in front of me over there. Wow, this is nice. And that was Anag Asan. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Right, shake a leg, shake a leg. What we got here? Dundalk 16. Dundalk.
In 50 yards, continue straight on Park Street, R215.
Dundalk Bay, shore birds and their prey. I'm going to have some fruits from this morning's breakfast on this bench. The main road is to my left, the other side of these shrubs. Money changed. Ready to go over the border. Now the black line going across is the border. I'm bang on the border. And there's nothing here. Only this. To say that I'm going into Northern Ireland. Now this signpost has changed into miles now. And the colours the same as Great Britain. So no more of them simple signs now. They're all going to be like Britain from now on. Newry. Miles upon miles now of this towpath. National Cycle Network. Portadown to Newry, or Newry to Portadown in my case. Well, I won't be going as far as Portadown.
No, I'm not open at the minute. I'm so sorry.
No problem.
We only work open Saturdays and Sundays.
Yeah, I
and
did see it, but I just saw half the door open
Yeah.
just in case.
Oh,
That's
no,
all.
no problem. And I haven't actually opened yet anyway this season.
I
just,
see.
But,
Yeah.
there'll be a sign out here beside the house whenever we're up and running, whenever we're open.
All right, okay.
Sorry about that.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
No problem.
If I'm being honest, I was kind of hoping she would have made me a cup of coffee. A wonky little bridge there.
It's very humid today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, not too hot.
Could do with a wee bit of sunshine.
Yeah, yeah. It's due. Well, down south they're going to get it, aren't they? But
You're not from Northern Ireland.
no, I'm from Wales.
from Wales.
Yeah.
We'd never been to Wales, and
Right.
two weeks ago, we done a sort of we went into Scotland,
Yeah.
went across on the ferry,
That's what I'm doing here.
and drove down
Aye.
and sort of done the Lake District, done Yorkshire, done the Dales and Moors, came on down and into Wales, into Llandudno.
Yeah.
And it was fabulous.
Ah,
It was
yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah, yeah.
And it was a Sunday, and the weather was lovely. And 11 o'clock in the morning, the place was crowded with people.
Yeah, yeah.
Beautiful part of the world.
Yeah.
Safe trip home.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Back onto the towpath.
Listen.
Back on trail. Did not go down my gears. Schoolboy error, as it were. Now there's a railway line here, and I haven't been far from a railway line since Newry, and I haven't seen a single train. Come from over there, National Cycle Network 9. That's the way to Portadown. This is where I'm leaving the towpath, and it was a pleasure. Nice, very nice. I'm doing it right here now. Craig Avon Trail.
You need to give it a good shake before you drink it.
Okay, will do.
Thank you
very much.
Thank you.
Two chapels side by side and massive gravestones. How things are different. Union Jacks are absolutely everywhere. Macr Allen. There's going to be a Glanbia factory here. Hope I see it. This is where my pension is based. 30 years worth of pension. See if I can spot a Mansell wagon. Welcome to Moira. Snack shack. Cycling pit stop. Puncture repair kits and all that. Diddorol. And there's a pump here. Excellent. Race course, and I wouldn't know the name of it. Down Royal, Down Royal Park golf course. All the famous jockeys that have crossed this road. Story of the day, nearly 75 miles. I'm about 10 to 15 miles short of Belfast. I've just found myself this little lovely area, Masonic Hall. I should be okay here. I'm hidden behind this tree. Brilliant. I'm just boiling my water now to have with my dry freeze food. And this is my tent I use for bikepacking. Nemo Firefly. Bags of room in this. Bags of room. Let that soak now for a few minutes, and then I'll boil my water for a cup of tea. I've got tea bags. One pouch of these is powder milk and sugar, and this one is coffee. So I don't need the coffee until the morning. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for my food to be ready now. And regarding today, nearly 75 miles, mammoth day for me. I was just feeling good after a good night's sleep last night, and I just carried on. I couldn't find somewhere suitable within the last 10 miles or so, but this place, I've got lucky. I've got effectively a 0 day tomorrow. Just cycle into Belfast. I think it's about 12 to 15, I'm not sure. And catch the 2:30 ferry to Stranraer, and then camp in Stranraer tomorrow night. It would have been nice to have had the shower, really, to be fresh tomorrow whilst travelling on the ship. But things are going well. Very happy with the bike and very happy with my legs. So yeah, all good.